How's it going, everybody? It's Ramos Sanchez from Board at Home here, trying to kill a rainy day in Converse, Texas. So, thinking, I created this patch that says I survived the Rona 2020. So I'm wishful thinking, hoping that all this goes away in the future. So this patch, if it turns out, I'll put some video at the end as it's going. I'm doing it a little slow here. If it works out, it's gonna be a giveaway. I'm gonna have a little thing on my page, on our www.boardathome.net, and our YouTube page, and hopefully by the summer we'll have really good news, hopefully sooner than that, but this is gonna be our first giveaway. So it's gonna say I survived the Rona 2020. Alright guys, more on this later. Hopefully there's no problems with the patch. It is sewing, it looks like it's gonna work. There's still a couple more steps to go, so I'll follow up here. And this is done on our little brother PE535. And again, always gotta promote our San Antonio's G1 Bumblebee. And all those links and information are located on our page, so don't forget to subscribe, like us, share our page, let people know we're trying to do good things. So, and this is gonna be our Survive the Rona 2020 patch. Thanks guys. Okay, so patch. I survived the Rona 2020, so hopefully in the near future we can all think about this as just a bad memory. I gotta clean up the jump stitches. I think it looks really neat. Fix up a couple things, and yeah, this is gonna be a giveaway. Hopefully after we get all settled in and things are better, put another video after we have it cut out. So thanks for watching.